I've been on a vlogging odyssey today. All the way to the mean streets of Maidstone, where the peasants are revolting against austerity. Like that.
We've come here today to basically protest against all the cuts that KCC are going to put through. There's a great big contingent here from Save Kent Valley School.
I'm here today because I do not believe that a good school should close, all just because of the low amount of students. It's going to cost more money to close the school than it will to reopen it.
It's actually quite hard to find a Tory that doesn't gush all over the Gurkhas' contribution to the British Army's global adventures. And yet...
Most of the children go to the Kent Valley School.
But the council don't have a choice, right?
We're asking the council to use their reserves and to not make the cuts. With prudent borrowing, let's make this a year where there's no more cuts, and we say to the government, give us that money back.
Interesting. Long-term austerity blows viewers may remember that Kent County Council is the same county council that tried to shut the Dorothy Lucy Care Centre.
My mum's cared for at the Dorothy Lucy. She goes up there 5 days a week while we go to work and has respite care.
They want to make money, basically. They've said it's because the facilities there aren't good enough, but the fact that the people don't have ensuite bathrooms and toilets there is really a very minor point.
Yeah.
And it's certainly not a reason for closing the centre.
Well, the future of the Dorothy Lucy remains uncertain.
It's this campaigning that is forcing the council back. They don't want to be shown. But more demonstrations like this by ordinary local people that is going to force these councillors and their administrators and bureaucrats back.
If we hadn't have done the campaign, it probably would have closed in March, and there probably wouldn't even been alternative providers. They probably would have just, washed their hands completely of the people in the Dorothy Lucy Centre.
For the politicians, £83 million worth of cuts is just another day at the office. But for the rest of us, we feel it. We have to live with their crap.
I feel absolutely devastated.
2 of my girls went there. They got degrees and they're now teachers.
If they close the Dorothy Lucy, it means that we'll have to consider giving up work.
Their lives are going to be very much poorer.
And why?
The government and also the council think that privatisation is better than our local services.
The private ones are for profit. The care she's had in them before has not been up to standard. She's been left sitting there in her own mess. She's been whining to go to the toilet.
Shouldn't we just wait for Jeremy Corbyn to come and save us?
The school can't wait for a start, and the people whose families are in the Dorothy Lucy Centre can't wait until then.
So that's the latest from Austerity Gardens. The fight back is on. Share, subscribe, see you later.